Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through your assignment for today. You're going to have a worksheet on alternate interior and alternate exterior angles. The first side, we're doing alternate interior. So the whole front side is going to be alternate interior. And then the whole back side, which is going to be this side, is going to be alternate exterior. Okay, alternate interior and alternate exterior, the angles are congruent, which means they have the same measure. So on your first two, you're just labeling that they're alternate interior because they're on alternate sides of the transversal, and that interior means they're inside the parallel lines. These are your parallel lines, are on the inside, so that's interior. So alternate interior, and then again this is going to be alternate interior. These are good references so you know what alternate interior looks like. Again, they're on alternate sides of the transversal. This is on the left, this is on the right, and the alternate means they're on the inside. 3 and 4, you're just telling me the angle measure of where the question mark is. So again, alternate interior, the angle measures they're the same, they're congruent. So I know if this one's 91, this one's also going to be 91. I know if this one's 105, this one's also going to be 105 because they have the same measure. Okay, so that's 3 and 4. 5, you're actually solving for x. And you know these are going to equal each other. They're congruent. Since they're alternate interior, this is going to equal this. So your x plus 35 is going to equal 125. And then you're just going to solve for x. Okay, same thing with number 6. This 18x plus 4 is going to equal 17x plus 11. They have the same angle measure, so I know this one is going to equal this one since they're alternate interior. On 7 and 8, once you find x, yours isn't going to be pink. When I uploaded it on Google Classroom, it's going to be black. This just happened to print in color. But so you're finding x, and then you're plugging it in to get the angle measures. Okay, so like 15x plus 10 is going to equal 3 plus 16x. So this is really hard to do with one hand. 15x plus 10 equals 3 plus 16x. You're going to have to get all your x's to one side. That was a 15, right? So you're going to minus 15x's this way. So you're going to have 1x over here. So you're going to have, so minus 15x minus 15x. That makes your 0. So I have 10 equals 3 plus x. Again, I have 1x. 16x minus 15x is 1x. Then minus 3 to both sides. X is going to equal 7. So once you know x equals 7, then you're going to plug them into whatever one was bold. I believe it was this one to get the angle measure. Okay, so that's how you're going to do 7 and 8. You're going to take your x and you're going to plug them in to get your angle measures. If you want to just find both, if it's hard to tell which one is bold, I think it's easier on Google Classroom, but if it's hard to tell, just plug them in and get both angles. Okay, but you need to set this one equal to this one, get all your x's to one side, get all your constants to the other, and then once you get x, so we knew the x ended up equaling 7 for this one, plug it back into both angles to get your actual angle measure. Okay, so that'll be 7 and 8. So that was alternate interior. And then the back side, these are exactly the same, but now they're alternate exterior. Again, alternate exterior has the same angle measure. So if this one is 128, this one's going to be 128 as well. If this one is 86, this one is going to be 86. They're on alternate sides of the transversal. Exterior means they're outside of the parallel lines. The interior ones on the front were inside the parallel lines. Exterior means they're outside the parallel lines, but they're still congruent. So you're still doing these same ones the way we did with the alternate interior here. Solve for x, so 10x minus 5 is going to equal 85, and then solve for x. 9x minus 1 is going to equal 7x plus 17, and solve for x. So again, let me set that up. So 10x minus 5 is going to equal 85, and then you're going to solve for x. 10x minus 5, sorry, this is really hard to hold my camera still. 10x minus 5 is going to equal 8x plus 17. And then get all your x's to one side. And once you solve for x, you can plug it back in to get your angle measures. Okay, so that's going to be for today. I'm going to post this assignment right now, and then I'm going to post this video for you to reference. So this is alternate interior and alternate exterior. The front side is alternate interior. The second side or the back side is going to be alternate exterior. Okay, so this is going to be your assignment. It's going to be for today and tomorrow, and then I'll post another one for Wednesday. But this, I'm going to give you 2 days for this one, okay? Reach out if you have questions. I was going to hold a Zoom meeting, but I don't really think it's necessary for today. I think kind of just going through this like I did and taking a video is maybe a little easier. So I'll post this video as well as these worksheets. And then as always, reach out if there's anything I can do to help, okay? Talk to you guys soon.